Welcome to my channel and welcome to my very messy house. So here you can see the bedroom. It is a disaster. There's toys everywhere. The bed's not made. There's clothing on the floor. The hallway is a mess. There is diapers everywhere because I just throw them there and then put them away in the morning. There's laundry to do. It's a big mess. So if you want some cleaning motivation, this is definitely the place to be because boy oh boy do I have a lot of cleaning to do. So this is what it looks like to clean with a newborn and a toddler. It is also extremely hot, like high 30s, 40s with humidity, which is like 90s. And for Canada, that's pretty warm, and with this many days in a row, that's definitely records for us. So that's not helped my cleaning motivation because it's so hot, it's hard to find the motivation to get things cleaned. But with it being like 2 weeks straight of this heat, I don't have a choice. It needs to be done. So much harder with a newborn. I mean, I know it's always hard with kids, but especially a newborn, I feel like I can't hold him as well with one hand because he flops around. So it definitely leaves me a little challenged in trying to figure out how to do things. Yep, you can do that one.
Bubble, bubble, bubble.
Want help? So Levi loves washing dishes. I only let him do it because he likes it so much, because I just have to go back and re-wash everything, of course. And he usually gets wet. It's dripping. I'm not one to normally make my bed, but honestly, with this place being such a mess, I would like the bed made as well. Alright, so the bedroom is clean. We put the extra diapers into the basket so that the dresser is cleaned off. I do need to vacuum in here, but the bed is made. Tidied things up on this side, picked everything up off the floor. I know it is dark in here, but we're trying to keep it cool, so the bedroom is done. So I just need to re-wash the dishes that my toddler was washing, and then I can continue on with cleaning the rest of the kitchen. Also, this is the moment I realized just how much water was spilled on the floor and everywhere else. So I am holding a little cranky baby, but I did manage to get the kitchen done. It took a long time, but I will show you the end result. So the table is clean, counters are clean, scrub the sinks. There's still dishes to put away, but they're clean, so that's what matters. So there you have the living room. You can see that I have downsized and rotated the toys, so there's less toys out to have to clean later. I fixed up the couch, and I've got a sleeping baby, so maybe I can get some more things done, which is awesome. Well, if you guys enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!